What happens to your body when you drink beet juice every day? Imagine this. You wake up feeling sluggish, the remnants of yesterday still weighing on your body. You head to the kitchen, pour yourself a bright, ruby red glass of beet juice and take a sip. As the juice flows through you, it's like a wave of revitalization sweeps over your body. Your energy surges, your skin begins to glow, and a profound sense of wellness envelopes you, transforming your morning from bleak to vibrant in moments. Recently hailed as a superfood, beet juice is climbing the ranks in health communities around the world. Its deep red color isn't just for show, it's a sign of the powerful nutrients packed inside each drop. Today, we're going to explore the top 9 transformative effects that drinking beet juice can have on your body. From boosting your stamina and lowering blood pressure to enhancing your skin health and more, beet juice offers a range of benefits that might seem almost too good to be true. And make sure you stick around until the end, because we have a surprising health benefit that you definitely won't want to miss. 1. Increases stamina. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your stamina, you might not need to look further than a glass of beet juice. This vibrant, ruby red drink is more than just a colorful addition to your diet, it's a powerhouse of energy enhancement. Beets are exceptionally rich in nitrates, compounds that play a significant role in increasing stamina and enhancing athletic performance. When you consume beet juice, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a miracle molecule of sorts. It helps widen and relax your blood vessels, which improves blood flow throughout your body. This increased circulation means that your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which they need to perform at their peak, especially during exercise. But don't just take our word for it. The science backs it up too. Numerous studies have shown that athletes and active individuals who drink beet juice can perform for longer periods and with more intensity. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that cyclists who drank beet juice could pedal up to 20% longer than those who didn't. Another research piece highlighted that runners had a noticeable reduction in their oxygen consumption during long-distance runs, making their exercise session less taxing and more efficient. This isn't just limited to professional athletes. Anyone can reap the stamina-boosting benefits of beet juice. Incorporating it into your routine could help you not only in your workouts, but also keep you energetically tackling your daily activities. If you are finding these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness content. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Turning our attention to something as critical as heart health, beet juice offers remarkable benefits, especially when it comes to managing blood pressure. The same nitrates that boost your stamina also play a pivotal role in lowering blood pressure. When you drink beet juice, the nitrates are converted by your body into nitric oxide. This not only helps in increasing blood flow, as we discussed earlier, but also relaxes and dilates your blood vessels. When your blood vessels are relaxed, your blood pressure decreases because there's less resistance for the heart to pump against. The evidence supporting these effects is both compelling and promising. A meta-analysis of studies on nitrates and heart health found that consuming beet juice can lower systolic blood pressure, the top number in a blood pressure reading, by an average of 4 to 5 millimeters of mercury in just a few hours. In some studies, the effect was even more significant, with beet juice reducing systolic blood pressure by up to 10 millimeters of mercury. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with hypertension or prehypertension. Regularly consuming beet juice as part of a balanced diet could help manage blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Enhances liver health. As we explore the various benefits of beet juice, let's not overlook its powerful effects on liver health. Beets are a fantastic source of betaine, a nutrient that is not only rare, but plays a crucial role in protecting your liver from toxins. Betaine works by helping your liver process fats, preventing the accumulation of fatty deposits. This is essential for maintaining a healthy liver, especially in individuals who may be dealing with conditions like fatty liver disease. Moreover, betaine acts as a hepatoprotective agent, meaning it helps shield the liver cells from damage caused by environmental toxins, alcohol, and poor dietary choices. Studies have shown that regular consumption of beet juice, with its high betaine content, can significantly improve liver function. This is measured through decreased levels of liver enzymes in the blood, which are often a marker of liver stress or damage. In addition to improving liver function, there's evidence suggesting that beet juice can actually reduce liver size in individuals with liver disease, helping to reverse the effects of conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. By incorporating beet juice into your diet, you're not just treating your taste buds to a sweet and earthy flavor, you're also giving your liver a much-needed boost in its daily functions and overall health. 4. Boosts brain health. Moving from the heart and liver to another critical organ, the brain. Drinking beet juice may also have significant benefits for your brain health, thanks to its ability to enhance blood flow. Let's dive into how this works and the impact it can have on your cognitive functions. The nitric oxide produced from the nitrates in beet juice doesn't just benefit your muscles and heart, it also improves the blood flow to your brain. This is particularly crucial as we age, since reduced blood flow can lead to cognitive decline and other issues related to brain health. By enhancing blood flow, beet juice ensures that your brain receives a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients necessary for its optimal function. Research studies have found exciting results in this area. Increased blood flow from regular intake of beet juice is associated with improved brain function in older adults. For instance, one study published in the Journal of Gerontology demonstrated that older adults who consumed beetroot juice supplements before exercise showed greater connectivity in brain regions associated with motor function, compared to those who did not. This enhanced connectivity was akin to the brain patterns seen in younger adults. Furthermore, other studies have suggested that beet juice could play a role in delaying the progression of dementia. By maintaining high levels of brain function and connectivity, the regular consumption of beet juice may help keep the brain young and healthy longer. 5. Fights inflammation. Beet juice is not only a nutrient powerhouse, but also a formidable fighter against inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response by your body to protect against injuries and infections. However, chronic inflammation can lead to numerous health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. Fortunately, beet juice contains several compounds that help mitigate this. One of the key components in beets that confer these anti-inflammatory properties is betalains. Betalains are pigments that give beets their vibrant red and yellow colors. These compounds have been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory effects. They work by inhibiting certain signaling pathways that promote inflammatory responses within the body. Research highlights the potential of betalains in managing and reducing inflammation. For example, studies have found that betalains can significantly reduce the inflammation associated with diseases like osteoarthritis. This is not just promising for those currently struggling with such conditions, but also offers a preventative measure for others who might be at risk. Furthermore, beets also contain a good amount of magnesium and vitamin C, both known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Magnesium helps by reducing the inflammation marker CRP, C-reactive protein, and vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that protects the cells from inflammatory damage. By regularly including beet juice in your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're also taking a proactive step towards controlling inflammation in your body, potentially reducing your risk of many chronic diseases. 6. Rich in valuable nutrients. While we've discussed some specific benefits of beet juice, it's also worth noting just how nutrient-dense this vibrant drink is. Beets are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that play critical roles in overall health and vitality. Let's explore some of these key nutrients found in beet juice. First up is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells against the effects of free radicals. This vitamin is crucial for the growth and repair of all body tissues, aiding in wound healing and maintaining healthy skin, teeth, and bones. Drinking beet juice provides you with a good dose of this immune-boosting nutrient, helping to fend off illness. Next, we have folate or vitamin B9, which is particularly important for a healthy brain function and emotional well-being. It's also essential for DNA synthesis and repair, and it plays a key role in supporting fetal development during pregnancy, making beet juice a great addition for expectant mothers. Beet juice is also a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that's involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in your body. Magnesium helps maintain nerve function, regulates muscle contractions, and supports a healthy heartbeat. Moreover, it aids in the production of energy and protein. Additionally, beets provide potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. A diet rich in potassium can help offset the negative effects of consuming too much sodium, which can be crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By integrating beet juice into your daily routine, you're not just hydrating. You're infusing your body with a cocktail of nutrients that contribute to your resilience, energy levels, and overall health. 7. Supports digestive health. When we think about juices, we might not always consider their fiber content, especially since juicing can sometimes remove fiber. However, beet juice still plays a significant role in promoting digestive health. Let's dive into how beet juice aids digestion and prevents common digestive issues. While it's true that juicing beets removes much of the insoluble fiber, the soluble fiber remains in the juice. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like material that can help improve digestion by slowing down the process, allowing for better nutrient absorption. This type of fiber also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and can lower cholesterol. Additionally, the nutrients in beet juice help stimulate the intestines and keep the digestive system running smoothly. Beets are rich in a compound called glutamine, an amino acid essential for the health and maintenance of the gastrointestinal tract. This makes beet juice not just beneficial for digestion, but also for gut healing and repair. Regularly consuming beet juice can also aid in preventing digestive problems like constipation and promote regularity due to its natural laxative properties. By maintaining a healthy digestive system, you're also supporting your overall health, as good digestion is key to proper nutrient absorption and waste elimination. 8. Helps control blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those dealing with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Interestingly, beet juice emerges as a helpful ally in this constant balancing act. Let's explore how beet juice influences blood sugar control and insulin response. Beet juice has a moderate glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. This is particularly beneficial for maintaining steady energy levels and preventing sudden drops in blood sugar, which can be dangerous for individuals with diabetes. Moreover, the natural sugars in beet juice are released slowly into the bloodstream, which helps to manage insulin response more effectively. This gradual process aids in preventing the sharp spikes in blood sugar that can occur after eating high glycemic foods. Research supports these claims, showing that the consumption of beet juice can improve insulin sensitivity. One study published in the journal Nutrients found that individuals who drank beet juice had better insulin response and improved glucose homeostasis. This suggests that beet juice could be a valuable addition to a diet aimed at managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. Incorporating beet juice into your daily routine might help regulate your blood sugar levels, contributing to more stable energy throughout the day and better overall health. 9. Improve skin health. Finally, let's look at how beet juice can be a boon for your skin health. Everyone wants that natural, healthy glow, and surprisingly, it might just be a sip away. Beet juice is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that are crucial for maintaining and improving skin health. The antioxidants in beet juice, such as betalains and vitamin C, help protect the skin by neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to premature aging and skin deterioration. By combating these harmful particles, beet juice aids in reducing the signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Moreover, beet juice is a great source of vitamin C, which is not only an antioxidant, but also plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. As we age, our body's natural collagen production decreases, which results in more visible signs of aging. Regular intake of vitamin C through beet juice can help in maintaining skin's firmness and delay the aging process. Anecdotal evidence and some studies highlight the positive effects of beet juice on skin health. For instance, individuals who consume beet juice regularly often report improvements in skin clarity and vibrancy. While comprehensive clinical studies are still needed to fully understand these effects, the current evidence is promising. Drinking beet juice could be a simple, natural way to help you achieve a clearer, more vibrant complexion. In review, we've explored 9 powerful benefits of drinking beet juice: increasing stamina, lowering blood pressure, enhancing liver health, boosting brain function, fighting inflammation, being rich in valuable nutrients, supporting digestive health, helping control blood sugar levels, and improving skin health. Each glass of beet juice packs a potent punch for your overall well-being. We encourage you to try adding beet juice to your diet and see the benefits for yourself. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below on how beet juice has helped you or what you'd like us to cover next in our health and wellness series.